using this to get Dana.
Siya ba? Sobra. O sige, kainin mo muna tong macarons na binigay ni Steph. Alam mo, pinagbilang niya talaga na tirhan ka na. Sarap. Diba? Sarap.
Basagi mo ang ano ha, TV ha?
Thank you for watching. Meron pala tayong ano dito, magic. Tingnan mo. Diba yan?
Should stop playing with Secretary Kim's feelings.
What do you assume I'm throwing around?
Naku, saan ka pumunta? Magkasama sa brand.
Tingnan mo, diba?
Paano kung mag-away sila? Pupunta ako.
Yan, meron ako na to.
Let them handle themselves.
Malaki na sila. Kailangan mo sila to settle their differences like normal.
What? Ulit?
I like that.
Tapos,
That
Yung-
boss knows how to see.
anuin mo
That
lang
doesn't
to.
mean na kontrolado mo ang
ganyan,
buhay mo.
ganyan mo.
Never said anything like that. And she deserves someone better than you.
Better than
Tamaan mo ang
Ba?
TV, MJ. Ano ba?
Thank you for watching.
No,
Like and subscribe.